Yes, good day to you guys, and in this vlog, we will talk about hard work. Now, most of you guys, probably hindi kayo naniniwala na sobrang sipag ni MJ Lopez. Most of you, baka hindi nyo naiintindihan ano ang ibig sabihin ng hard work sa standard ni MJ Lopez. Kasi yung ibang mga kakilala ko, follower ko, nakasama ko na ngayon sa inner circle, lagi na lang iniisip, totoo ba? Hindi natutulog si Sir MJ? Totoo ba na sobrang masipag si Sir MJ? Ngayon yung madidiscover yung totoong hard work. Ngayon yung madidiscover paano trumabaho ang isang MJ Lopez. So yun lang guys, again, magandang araw sa inyo and welcome to another vlog. So yan guys, it's 4 AM. Sisimulan na natin yung araw natin kahit hindi pa tayo natutulog. So we started our day kanina. Around 9 PM, nag-start tayo mag-prepare sa pag-shoot ng courses and contents. 10 PM tayo nag-start, natapos tayo ng 3 AM. So nag-create tayo ng podcast, kakatapos lang natin mag-create ng podcast episode, yung Ask MJ Lopez. Tapos nag-shoot pa tayo ng courses. And since we are taking care of our health, ayan, naka-red rice tayo guys. So kakain muna ako bago ko mag-gym. So, mag-exercise tayo. And later on, maaga tayo sa office. Kasi nga, may official release tayo ng exclusive community para sa Worldwide Entrepreneur. So, kakain muna ako, guys. Galit? Galit ka? Galit o gutom? Gutom ka? Bili ka ang kapagkain mo. Guys, agad na hataw natin eh. Kaya, nainggit ka media team. Ang tagas na ng ulam ko. Tubig, tubig. Tubig. Di masarap, walang brand eh. Kailan kaya magkakaroon ng malupit na label dito sa mga vlogs natin? No? Baka naman guys. So ayan guys, it's 5:21 AM. And honestly, nakakatamad talaga, di ba? Kasi naulan. Tapos pagod pa tayo. And you know, what's one day of skipping gym? What's one day of pahinga, di ba? Pero I was able to achieve all the things that I have right now because of my discipline, because of my hard work, because of consistency. And since habit na natin siya, pattern na natin siya, it's easier for us to choose this. So, kumbaga, dumating ako sa gantong level ng disiplina kasi sinundan ko yung structure ko. Pero honestly, regardless of that, grabe pa rin yung resistance guys. Kasi habang nagdadrive ako, tulala ako, nagre-reflect ako, nag-iisip ako, do I really have to do this? Pero again, commitment nga eh. Part siya ng structure eh. So there will be times na during the event that you will take action, minsan papasok pa rin yung doubt na, kailangan ba talaga to? Dapat pa talagang gawin to? And that's the purpose of step 1 and step 2. Having a firm decision and having a clear plan. Kaya tayo may plano para yun na lang yung susundan nating pattern. So that we don't have to think a lot. So that we don't have to feel a lot. Kasi again, pag nag-focus tayo sa nararamdaman natin, hindi na natin itutuloy. Pero ngayon, our focus is to get things done. Kasi pag nagawa natin to, eventually, we will feel good about ourselves. And I know that already kasi paulit-ulit ko na itong ginagawa before. So tara, mag-exercise na tayo. So ayan guys, it's around 7 AM at kakatapos lang nating mag-gym. And super happy and grateful right now. Pagod, puyat, wala pang tulog. Pero I have this sense of accomplishment na may nagawa na ako at may natapos na ako. So, ay, sushi ko pala yan. So uwi muna tayo. So ayan guys, it's 8:18 AM at grabe, umagang-umaga na. At matutulog pa lang tayo. So, tapos na ako mag-organize ng araw ko. Pwede na tayong matulog. And the purpose of this is to make sure that pagkagising natin, wala nang masyadong thought pattern, wala nang masyadong iniisip, wala nang masyadong stress. Kasi nga, alam na natin, malinaw na yung kailangan natin gawin. So, tulog muna guys. And, grabe, di ba? Habang pinapanood mo to, pinapanood mo pa lang, mapapagod ka na. And that's the reality. And guess what? Nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Let's go! Good morning guys, start your day with gratitude, and yes, we are on time. Grabe. Isang oras na tulog, but still happy and grateful because gising tayo, buhay tayo, and we can now achieve our goals and dreams. Pwede na tayong kumilos. So yeah, let's go! So ayan, it's 11:57 guys, sobrang late na tayo. Pero kaya naman nating sinet na 11 AM ang alis natin, ang departure natin. Kasi para dumating tayo before 2. So ang nakakatawa, 1 PM yung ETA natin. So sure tayo na dadating on time. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, grabe yung sagad na hataw kagabi pa. Tapos, isang oras lang yung tulog natin. And mamaya, sobrang dami pang gagawin. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, ito yung totoong hard work. See you later. Ayan guys, so it's 1:20 PM and we are early here in the office. Nagsiset up na tayo for the meeting. So, ang daming mangyayari. So, una mag-encode tayo, mag-follow up tayo, mag-check tayo ng mga attendees natin today. And of course, we will also prepare the exclusive community and I will do a rundown for the leaders and for the coaches. So, meron din tayong meeting dito exactly 2 PM kasi nga magkakaroon tayo ng We Lead program. And may mga staffers tayo dito at may mga coaches tayo dito. So in preparation for that, we have to be early, we have to show up in excellence. And that is why ako mismo maaga ako dito sa office. So pagdating dito, bugbugan agad. So I don't know if I still have time to eat, but the media team will actually eat. So after ko after mag-vlog, hataw na agad, and then maybe the media team can have time to eat. But for me, I'm gonna work here. So yun lang guys, see you later. So yan guys, it's 3:48 PM. And yeah, bugbog pa rin tayo ng meetings and codes. Buti nagkaroon tayo ng time kumain, kahit saglit, tas konting kwentuhan here, and right now, we will do the checkpoint. So what will happen is, so i-check namin ano nang nagawa namin, ano nang mga natapos na, so that we can adjust quickly kung merong sumasabaw, makakapag-adjust pa tayo kung merong hindi pa nagagawa. So parang halfway of the day, we are now aware and we have this narrative na teka, we have to do more so we can achieve more. Kung na-achieve naman natin lahat ang dapat gawin, mas lalo natin gagalingan, and that way, we are already winning. Because we are here to set up to win. So yun lang guys, see you later. So ayan guys, it's close to 10 PM. Guys, nagsimula tayo 6:30. So almost 4 hours tayo nagsalita on stage. Pagod tayo physically but super fulfilled. Sobrang fulfilling yung mga nangyayari, sobrang inspired sila. Rinig na rinig yun naman. Nag-share sila ng mga kanya-kanyang kwento and knowledge. So yeah, later on pag-usapan pa natin yung mga mangyayari. But for now, this is what we are able to build because of our hard work. So yun lang guys, later on, pag-usapan pa natin at reviewin natin yung araw natin kasi sobrang busy ngayon, ang dami pa nating meetings. Let's go! So ayan guys, it's 1:05 AM and we are here to do a mastermind session with our coaching team and aspiring staffers for the We Lead 06. So nakakatawa lang guys kasi a lot of people wanted to serve sa ating next batch ng We Lead. So there are a few people here who are, you know, nag-exercise sila kasi late sila. So now we are just having fun, and more importantly, we will talk a lot about value. So again, kung mapapansin nyo, wala pa tayong pahinga, dire-diretso lang, 1 a.m. na, at marami pang mangyayari. So yun lang guys, see you later. Number one, biggest takeaway is it's the stretch. That I was able to stretch myself further in taking action, in thinking, in doing things. Kasi, to be honest with you guys, I think for the past few months, it's been rough and hard on me, you know, physically, mentally, emotionally. Ang daming tinerminate, ang daming nanloko, ang daming nawala, ang daming ganap. And then of course, I'm always silent about it. You know, I'm expected to be great all the time. I'm expected to smile, to have fun on stage. So it's hard at some point to become a leader. And today is also a huge stretch. You know, yung pag-film, yung physically drained ka, pero you have to make a video. Yung ang daming hate, pero haharap ka sa camera, you know. Yung may sakit yung anak mo, emotionally, ang bigat, but still, you have to do something, kailangan mong gawin eh. Commitment mo yun eh, integrity mo yun eh. And understanding na nagbubunga siya ngayon, yung sacrifices, you know. And going back, yung mga tanim, it's me being realigned sa purpose ko. Because every time we talk about We Lead, I tend to be really emotional, no? Especially, naalala ko yung batch ni LJ, ni Kim. Nung batch nyo kasi, I was also struggling eh, personally. No? So it's a connect that during those times na pinaprocess ko kayo, I was also in the process of building myself. You know, I'm also in the process of believing in myself. And it's me proving na tama ako eh, na nagtiwala ako sa mga to. So, it's me being realigned na lahat ng sacrifices ko before, lahat ng training ko nang may sakit ako, lahat ng training ko na halos ma-aksidente kami tuwing magdadrive, ito na yung bunga. Ang sarap lang kasi vision yun na nangyari eh. It's a silent vision na kami lang yung nakakaalam. Iba talaga siya, iba sa pakiramdam. So yeah. Isa pa yun sa mga wins. Tapos yun nga, yung circle ko, Roel, Basta masaya ako guys. Hindi ko alam ba't emotional ako ngayon. Siguro sobrang pagod na kasi ako physically. But I'm just really happy right now. This is like tears of facilitating. So yeah, really happy, grateful that you guys are here. Okay? So ayan guys, it's 5:10 a.m. Honestly, I'm super tired right now. Although magdadrive pa tayo, and may isa pa tayong importanteng meeting. So there's a lot of brainstorming. Tapos sa taas, I had to be honest with my team, with my staff. I have to take the bitter pill as a leader. May standard tayong sinusundan. So I confronted people. May mga stress. Sabay-sabay guys. Everything is happening, you know, very chaotic. On my side, because I am the leader, I am handling everything. Although outside this, everyone is happy, everyone is enjoying. May kanya-kanyang mastermind session, may nagkakape, may nagkikwentuhan. And right now, I'm here talking with my coach, konting kwentuhan din and monitoring. So basically, it's just pure work the whole fucking day. From ng araw na, Sunday na ngayon, from Friday pa ng gabi. So imagine, that's what we call hard work. So at least alam nyo yung ibig sabihin ng hard work pag sinabing MJ Lopez. Alright? So, yeah, may isa pa tayong meeting and gusto ko na i-share sa inyo ano yung nangyayari talaga. The raw footage of what's really happening sa akin as a leader. And pwede naman ako mag-leverage. I don't have to do all this. But the thing is, I have a goal. I have a vision for the future that I want and I'm not gonna stop. Hindi ako nakatingin sa pahinga lang. Nakatingin ako sa future na gusto kong marating. That is why I'm still working hard and I'm still stretching myself kasi nga I know that I can still grow as a person. So medyo pikit na tayo pero for sure mamaya marami pang mangyayaring maganda. And ganoon naman lagi. It's a pattern that if you just do your best, you're gonna get the prize. So yeah, meeting na muna. See you later. So ayan guys, it's 7 a.m. here in Laguna and finally nakauwi tayo, no? And super happy and grateful because we're safe. But here's the truth. A lot of people will talk about hard work, hataw, take massive action, sagarin, itodo, but they cannot walk their talk. A lot of people have been talking a lot about hard work, pero hindi naman sila hardworking. So ngayon, pinakita ko sa inyo ano yung standard natin pagdating sa hard work. Ano yung standard ni MJ Lopez pagdating sa work ethic. From Friday yung hataw natin hanggang Sunday ng morning, and later may gagawin pa tayo. Nagkataon lang na hindi na natin makukunan ng video kasi we have to close the vlog na. But after this, I'm gonna upload the podcast episode, and that is why you have to subscribe right now. Please subscribe. Click the notification button and mag-like kayo, mag-engage kayo, mag-comment kayo para alam namin kung nagugustuhan nyo ba yung mga videos natin. So that we can do more, and of course, we will do our best and we are dedicated to create massive value for you guys. And ang akin lang ang mahalaga, manonood kayo. Ang mahalaga, nakakatulong kami sa inyo. Alright? And you don't have to do what I do. You don't have to copy me. But if you want to, feel free to join the Hard Working Club. Well, this is the end of the vlog. And always remember that everything good starts with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you soon. Subscribe.